Hej og velkommen tilbage. I dag har vi endnu en sammenligning. Det vil sige, hvornår skal man bruge at være, og hvornår skal man bruge at blive. Lad os kigge på det. So if you didn't see my video about at have and at få, then here's a link somewhere. Check it out because basically we have the same rules to apply to these verbs. And this one, it's a little bit more obvious than at have, at få. It's a little bit more straightforward. So maybe you think, well, why are you telling us about this? We know this. Yeah, cool. But it does get confused sometimes, so why not talk about it? So we have at være, to be, which is about a state, in tilstand. And then we have at blive, which is a change of state, in forandring. Boom. So your current state could be that you as Darth Vader are Luke Skywalker's father.
Jeg er din far. Jeg er din far.
If you as Darth Vader decided to have a sex change, then we're talking about a change of state. So we use at blive.
Men i morgen bliver jeg til din mor. Men i morgen bliver jeg til din mor.
Yeah, the sentence choice is maybe a little far out, so I'll try to bring it back down to earth.
Det har været en rigtig hyggelig dag. Det har været en rigtig hyggelig dag.
So the day was enjoyable, it's a state, it's finished, punktum.
Jeg er så vred lige nu. Jeg er så vred lige nu.
So this is your current state of mind. This is how you feel right now. It could change later, but we're talking about the state you're in right now. Du er, jeg er, sådan. So just like with at få, it can be useful to think of the trigger that causes something to happen when you're thinking about, should I use at være, at blive? So if there is a trigger which causes a change, you know that you should be using at blive.
Hvis du kommer til min fødselsdag, bliver jeg så glad. Hvis du kommer til min fødselsdag, bliver jeg så glad. Jeg blev kok for 6 år siden. Jeg blev kok for 6 år siden.
Nice, so here's a final comparison. For example, I could say, hun er min kone. Hun er min kone. She is my wife. My current state, the current state of affairs is that we are married. She is my wife. Or I could say, vi er blevet gift. Vi er blevet gift. It basically means the same thing. It means that we are married. She is my wife. But I'm saying that we got married. So you can see the change of state from not being married to being married. And notice the combination of the two verbs in the last example. Er blevet. Er blevet. Because in the present perfect, you do not use har with at blive. You do not say, jeg har blevet gift. I have become married. You have to use er. Jeg er blevet gift. And here's a few more examples of verbs that use this pattern.
At komme, kommer, kom, er kommet, var kommet. At komme, kommer, kom, er kommet, var kommet. At falde, falder, faldt, er faldet, var faldet. At falde, falder, faldt, er faldet, var faldet. At vågne, vågner, vågnede, er vågnet, var vågnet. At vågne, vågner, vågnede, er vågnet, var vågnet.
So of course that's not all of them, but there are quite a few of them to look out for. These are sort of irregular, I guess. All that's left to do is to test you. One more time. Let's see. How many can you get right? Insert the right word. Remember the right tense. Let's do it.
Det kærlighed ved første blik. Jeg forelskede i hende med det samme. Det var kærlighed ved første blik. Jeg blev forelsket i hende med det samme. Vi har venner i 6 år. Vi har været venner i 6 år. Jeg skal nok der om lidt. Jeg skal nok være der om lidt.